Good morning, student. Today we are here to deal with the poem Dust of Snow. This is your first poem of your first flight book. It has been written by Robert Frost. So, in this poem, basically, our poet wants to tell us that sometimes some negative things of the nature are also gives us positive approach which change our life. Okay, so this is the theme of our poem, and accordingly we can remain continue with line by line. So the way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. The way a crow shook down on me. So shook down means fell down over me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. It means here our poet is saying that he was been standing under the hemlock tree, and as he was standing under the hemlock tree he was been very sad, and at that time a crow was already been set over the tree and he flew away. When he flew away, ultimately the snow which was been there on the branches, it fell down on the shoulder of our poet. ओके मतलब यहाँ पे क्या कह रहा है पोएट ये कहना चाहता है कि जो हमारा कैरेक्टर है इस पोएम का वो हेमलॉक ट्री के नीचे खड़ा हुआ था, और उस समय पर अचानक जो ऊपर बैठा हुआ कौवा है वो उड़ जाता है, और कौवा के उड़ जाने पर वहाँ पर जो बर्फ़ पेड़ पर लगी हुई है वो नीचे गिर जाती है और वो पोएट के शोल्डर पर आकर गिरती है. So the dust of snow from a hemlock tree was being fallen over the shoulder of our poet has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I rued. So has given my heart a change of mood. It means after being having a very cool touch of the snow, dust of snow, somehow my sad mood is being completely changed and saved some part of a day I had rued. So rued means for which I was being regret. I was thinking that my remain day will become waste. That kind of thing is known as rued. पश्चाताप करना. So a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. So poet want to say here that after having a cool touch of that dust of snow, finally the sad mood of our poet is being changed, and because his mood become changed, somehow his remaining part of the day is also become saved to be wasted. तो पोएट क्या कहना चाहता है कि जब उसका वो उदास स्थिति में खड़ा हुआ था, नीचे डिसअपॉइंटेड था, और उस समय पर जब उसको वो बिल्कुल ठंडा ठंडा स्पर्श मिलता है बर्फ़ का, तो उससे उसका मूड एकदम से ठीक हो जाता है, और मूड ठीक हो जाने पर अब वो उदासी से निकल गया है और अब मूड ठीक हो गया. तो अभी तक वो क्या सोच रहा था, क्योंकि उसका वो उदास है इसलिए उसका सारा दिन बेकार जाने वाला है, लेकिन मूड ठीक हो जाने से उसके दिन का जो बचा हुआ से हिस्सा था, जैसे यहाँ पे स्टेट लाइन दी हुई है, एंड सेव्ड सम पार्ट ऑफ द डे, मतलब वो जो मूड है वो जब अच्छा हो गया तो उसके जो दिन का बचा हुआ हिस्सा है वो कहीं ना कहीं बच गया बेकार जाने से. आई हैड र्यूड, जिसके बारे में मैंने सोचा था कि जिसके लिए मैं पछता रहा था कि मेरा पूरा दिन ख़राब हो जाएगा, अब वो उसका सेव हो जाता है, वो उसका बच जाता है. और वो इस तरीके से जो स्नो है वो यहाँ पर एक पॉजिटिव अप्रोच का काम कर रहा है. और जो क्रो और हैमलॉक हैं, क्रो इज़ द बैड ओमन, is always the symbol of a bad omen, and hemlock tree is a poisonous tree. So somehow here in this stanza poet want to tell us that crow and hemlock both are the symbols of the negative approach, Okay, so sometimes some negative things are also provides us the positivity in our life. He was been standing under the hemlock tree, so the negative approach is here, and the crow was been flew away from the tree, so that was also the symbol of the negativity. So because of the movement of crow, somehow snow fell over the poet and his mood become changed. So with the help of these two negative approaches, somehow our good and positive approach, that is snow, is being faced by the poet, and that was the reason to change or save his day completely. So this is about that poet want to tell us that something sometimes in our life some negative approaches are also provides us the positivity which saves our life or gives a specific way to our life also.